Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can convert Canva designs to a PDF file. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and log into our Canva account. Okay, now from here, we can open up a design that we have. All right, so here, let's try and look at this one here. Okay, so we can go ahead and use in a design. All right, now to save this design as PDF, all we have to do is click on share and go to download. And from here under file type, you can click on the arrow and click on PDF standard or PDF print. Now let's go ahead and click on PDF standard and click on download. So after this one, you can save the file on your computer. Now I will just name this one as test1 and let's click on save. All right, now when we open up the folder, we can see that this is actually a PDF design. And if we open this one, it is going to show us that this is indeed in a PDF format. Okay, so I think that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.